Welcome to House Plans Model 832, where compact living meets modern convenience and style. Spanning a total of 832 square feet, this Florida house plan is expertly designed to maximize every inch, making it an exceptional choice for those looking to embrace a simpler, more efficient way of living. This tiny home features one well-appointed bedroom and one full bathroom, tailored for comfort without compromising on space. The layout is thoughtfully designed, combining functionality with a sleek, contemporary aesthetic. Your purchase includes detailed floor plans, elevations, general notes, and more, all adhering to the Florida Building Code. And if you wish to add personal touches, customization is available for an additional fee, ensuring that your new home is as unique as your dreams. Plans come ready for permitting, signed and sealed by a licensed professional engineer. House Plans Model 832 isn't just a space to live, it's a space to thrive. It's designed for those who value efficiency and quality in their living environment. Begin the journey to your new home today and discover the possibilities that await with Model 832.